Hey everyone, this is Kiki Well again and welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you guys this hair what it looks like 4 weeks later and unraveled, okay? And I took the twist apart like I said I was going to do, and I said if I did that I'll show you guys what it looks like. Well, this is what it looks like, okay? And I only took out the twist like on the sides here, like at the back and in the middle and under. I didn't take the twist out. I only took the top, like this part. And this is what it looks like. Now, some of you might like it, some of you might not like it. I like it. I mean, I don't know. I've had it like this for a week, and I'm getting a lot of compliments on my hair. Of course, I don't, the path is now way too wide, and it's looking old and everything, and I want to take it down. Of course, it's coming down this week. But the next time I do this hair, I'm going to probably unravel the twist 1 to 2 weeks in. And I don't know, what do you think? I like it. I like it unraveled. I like it with the twist out. I like it. So maybe I would, of course I'm going to do this twist again, but maybe in the winter time. Because, of course to keep the heat in. Summer's about here, and of course I need my scalp to breathe, so I'm going to have to take this down this week. But yeah, this is what it looks like 4 weeks later. I think it looks good, and given the fact that it was wet, before I took the twist out, and it looks this good, yeah, it's something I think you guys should try it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.